Your liver works 24/7 to keep you alive, filtering every drop of blood in your body, yet most people are destroying it every single day without even realizing it. Let's be blunt. If you are regularly consuming processed junk, high sugar, or excessive alcohol, you need to be ready for the worst. Liver failure doesn't always give a warning, and by the time you feel it, the damage is often deep. If you want to discover how to reverse this path and see exactly how to protect yourself, make sure to watch this video until the very end. But before we reveal the solution, hit that subscribe button right now. It's the best way to ensure you never miss these critical health updates. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Today, we are diving into the science-backed foods that can actually help repair and support your liver naturally. We've all heard about the basics, but most people completely ignore food number 4. And, ironically, it might be the exact one your liver needs most. We aren't talking about extreme detoxes or expensive supplements, just real, powerful nutrition. We are currently living through a silent crisis. Your liver is a masterpiece of biology. It processes nutrients, regulates your metabolism, and acts as your body's primary defense against toxins. But the modern lifestyle is an absolute overload. Between ultra-processed foods, hidden sugars, alcohol, and the constant use of medications, our livers are drowning. There is a major misconception that liver issues only affect heavy drinkers. That's simply not true anymore. Fatty liver disease is skyrocketing worldwide, even among people who have never touched a bottle. Are you feeling constantly fatigued? Dealing with brain fog, bloating, or sudden skin changes? These are the early warning signs most people ignore. The good news: your liver is incredibly resilient. It is the only organ capable of full regeneration if you give it the right tools. Some of the foods we're discussing today start helping much faster than you'd expect. Can food really repair an organ? In the case of the liver, the answer is a resounding yes. Nutrition directly dictates how much fat is stored in liver cells and how effectively your detox pathways function. By choosing the right whole foods, you are reducing oxidative stress and providing the fiber needed to eliminate toxins before they can do damage. Think of it this way. Starting today, every single meal you eat can either burden your liver or protect it. We aren't promising a miracle cure, but we are promising a science-backed shield for your health. 1. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are powerhouses. They contain inorganic nitrates that help reduce fat buildup and support the liver's natural cleansing processes. Add a handful to your smoothie or salad daily. 2. Fatty fish. Salmon and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help manage inflammation and keep your metabolic balance in check. Aim for 2 servings a week. 3. Berries. Blueberries and cranberries are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins. These help defend liver cells from damage and can even improve immune cell response. 4. Cruciferous vegetables. The ignored hero. Broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cabbage are often avoided, but they are essential. They contain compounds that support the liver's detoxification enzymes. Most people don't eat nearly enough of these, but even a small increase can lead to a massive spike in your liver's efficiency. 5. Nuts. Walnuts and almonds are associated with improved liver markers. They provide a perfect mix of healthy fats and vitamin E to fight oxidative stress. Just a handful a day is plenty. 6. Olive oil. This isn't just for taste. High-quality extra virgin olive oil supports a healthier fat balance in the liver compared to processed vegetable oils. 7. Garlic. Don't fear the breath. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. 1 clove a day can make a difference. 8. Green tea. It's rich in catechins, a type of antioxidant that supports overall metabolic health and helps reduce fat deposits in the liver. 9. Avocados. They provide beneficial fats and unique antioxidant compounds that help your body produce glutathione, a key molecule for liver filtration. 10. Beets, our final power food. Often underestimated, beets contain betalains that support blood flow and boost antioxidant activity. Whether juiced or roasted, they are a liver support goldmine. The final two on this list are surprisingly powerful, but here is what most people don't know. How you combine these foods matters just as much as the foods themselves. So, how do you start supporting your liver this week? Don't try to overhaul your entire life overnight. That's how people fail. Start small. Pick 2 or 3 foods from this list and find a consistent way to add them to your routine. Rotation is key. One day, focus on greens, the next, on fatty fish. Combine fiber-rich veggies with healthy fats like olive oil to maximize absorption. And remember, hydration is the silent partner of liver health. Water helps flush out the toxins that your liver is working so hard to process. Frame this as a lifestyle upgrade, not a restriction. This is where the real transformation begins. However, we have to be honest. You can't out-eat a bad lifestyle. Many healthy packaged foods are actually loaded with hidden sugars that damage the liver just as much as alcohol. Avoid crash dieting, as rapid weight loss can actually stress the liver further. Be wary of overusing supplements without professional guidance. Your liver has to process those too. True authority in health comes from balance, not just adding superfoods while ignoring the damage. I want to invite you to a 7-day liver reset mindset. For the next week, focus on addition rather than restriction. Ask yourself, what can I add to this meal to help my liver? Pay attention to your energy levels and your digestion. Small changes compound incredibly fast. Your future health is being shaped by the habits you choose today. Which of these foods do you already eat, and which one are you going to add first? I'd love to hear your plan in the comments below. I read every single one. If you found value in this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more practical, science-backed health content. Keep an eye out for our next video where we reveal the foods that are quietly destroying your liver from the inside out. You won't want to miss that one. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.